Oria anyitite mirohoge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri marathie na mbere na kuhungwo mahuri uthuthuria-ini wa riboti cia ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa CAS noguo aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere hindi ya uguri wa indo cia kuhurana na murimu wa corona marageria kwiyeheria kirigica-ini giki.
To just explain to this committee the kind of procurement, there have been several issues that the CEO has said it was emergency.
Murugamiriri wa wendia na uguri wa indo ruhonge-ini rwa CAS Charles Juma umwe wa aria mambite kurugamia wira arauga ni aheanire notithi thutha wa ruhonge rwa CAS kwenda kugura indo makiria ma kigina gia ciringi bilioni 4 iria magirirwo ni kuhuthira.
On 21st of April we had a senior management meeting and I brought to the attention of the committee that we had reached 3.9 billion and therefore I advised that we should be able to stop.
I did concur with his advisory and we did defer the 3.3 billion the procurement to this current financial year, and we agreed that subsequent procurements will be open tender.
No Juma ararituhirwo ni cira uyu kuona niwe wekirire kirore marwa ma uheani wa kandarathi kuri kambuni itiganite na riu uria urakuithio mutharaba ni murugamiriri wa CAS John Majari.
I have my file here and there is not a single document that is signed by John Majari. My statement is that what Juma is trying to do is throw the CEO under the bus.
There's no commitment letter issued to any supplier for COVID-19 which was signed by the Director of Procurement. And therefore, my actions in making advisory was to inform the senior management of the risk of going above the budget.
Gikaro-ini giki oho riboti kiyumiria kuuma kuri ministry ya ukuui ati mirigo iria yaheanirwo kuri bururi wa Kenya ni muonjoria kuuma bururi wa China Jack Ma ndwakinyire iri yothe.
The total of what we were supposed to receive was 697 packages. But when that consignment arrived at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, we received 21 packages less.
How did they distribute those items before even opening? How did they keep an inventory of the items that were released from China? So I think it is fair enough to say that these things the government of Kenya received from Ethiopia.
Jona Majari oho ni ugukitwo ati ni athingiriirio gutacukia makinya mamwe megie uguri wa indo ruhonge-ini rwa CAS kia hinya. Kamiti ino ikienda kumenya haria mawatho magararirwo angikorwo maabitha yothe na marutithanagia wira.
They have full information as a group and they are making a decision which they know is not correct. And the CEO is saying he's not working under any pressure. While he was in the Senate, he actually indicated how this pressure was coming.
I was not under pressure. The communications that came from the PS office and from the CS were not in any way to put pressure on me.
This board that I chair is a board that is willing to take responsibility should it be found that we have done anything outside the mandate of ourselves as the board.
Cikaro ici ni itanyitwo guthii na mbere riri honge cia uthuthuria irathii na mbere na gutengerania na mahinda niguo uthuthuria ukorwo urikite ihinda-ini ria thikũ 21 iria ciaheanirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.